There has been a recent jump in Tesla stock, which is up only 7% year to date in a bull market, while being range bound from a low of $600 to high of $880 a share. Here we are going to talk about the price fluctuations in the stock, short-term negative news impacting it, long-term projections keeping it afloat, and whether or not now is the appropriate moment to buy or sell Tesla. Hi, my name is Sunny and I make videos that affect a common man financially. If you are new to this channel, please smash that like button as that will help me with the YouTube algorithm and it will be highly appreciated. Tesla stock is known for its price fluctuations, but it is only 7% up year to date, whereas the stock market has gone up substantially in the same period of time. Now, the million dollar question everybody is asking, what is going on with Tesla stock? I know we expect our investments in stock market to grow, so it is natural that people are wondering why it is showing a lackluster performance year to date while the broad market is booming. Let me spell out some of the factors that should be considered before making a choice whether you want to buy or sell a particular stock. I think it is a good idea to have a plan ready about reasons before putting in your hard earned money to work. The logic is when the times are tough and the things are not going as you have expected, such plans come in handy while showing you a roadmap, thus avoiding impulsive decisions. Recently, Tesla has been facing many challenges like accidents involving its cars, where its vehicles and the software behind it is being looked into by NTSB. Until we know about the facts, which I think will take some time to come out, the markets are already pricing the negative news, therefore affecting its stock price. As a matter of fact, we see mishaps on roads involving cars of other automakers, but do you ever see it affecting the stock price of that automaker? Global chip shortages pose another challenge to Tesla, where almost every automaker had to reduce their production, resulting in lower revenues and profits, which will not be sorted out anytime soon. Now, if you add spread of Delta variant, concerns of inflation and possible interest rate increases, the investors are wondering if the right time has come to switch from growth stocks to more secure bonds, which we know will not help Tesla stock in the short term. We can debate these issues, but one thing is very clear: investors don't like uncertainty. Investing is all about discovering the future price of a business so that if you buy it at today's price, you can make money in the future. Don't you think having a plan before investing could have come in handy as it will keep emotions out, especially when you realize the stock is not performing as per your expectations? The sole reason we invest is to get a return on our money employed, have a passive income so that you are comfortable in the life. So why bring emotions in investing? Just give it a thought. I understand there are some short term hiccups affecting it, but if you take a long term view, practically nothing has changed as far as the company's basic business is concerned. Now you may ask, there are NTSB issues, chip shortages, spread of Delta variant, inflation, and possible interest rate hike, etc. But if you take a long term view, don't you think we have seen it all in one form or the other in the past 20-30 years? If you talk about their business, they will be shipping more cars this year than last year, thus making me optimistic about its long term growth in spite of all these short term challenges. The fact remains it's hard to predict short term stock prices, and investing is all about discovering companies who can perform on long term basis. Tesla is a pioneer in electric vehicles, therefore, it gives them a first mover advantage. Hence, they have more EVs on the road right now than anybody else. As per their plan, by next year, they should have fully functional gigafactories and required battery plants in North America, Europe, and China, which account for the major automotive sales in the world. Since electric is the way all automakers are moving, thus Tesla, with their proven automotive and battery technologies, will have a clear lead in these vital car markets. Think about a scenario 10-15 years from now. Do you think Tesla will be the same company as it is today? Surely not. In 10 years, it will be a huge company making millions of cars every year as compared to what they are today. The idea is to keep an eye on the company's fundamentals and its business. As long as they remain intact, everything else is short term. It may appear overpriced, and I may agree with you to some extent, but if you look at long-term scenario, do you think you will be able to buy its stock at $750 per share in 10 years? Although it appears to be a bargain, if you look at the long-term investment horizon, keep in mind that everybody's risk tolerance is different. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. Please consult one before investing based on your personal financial situation. This is my take on the topic, buy or sell Tesla. If you like the content that I make, please help me and my channel by liking, sharing, and subscribing to it. Thanks for watching. See you next time in the next video on your own channel, Sunny Snippets.